Okay, so in this video we will see how we can do the row adjustment, column adjustment with the help of the just shortcut. Okay, so even this type of the data sometime you will receive in your Excel. Okay, now how to make this adjustment? You can manually you can do this type of the thing, but it is very time consuming. If there are many row and then this is very time consuming process. So uh, if you see this data, there we need to do some adjustment with respect to the column and with respect to the row. So just if I write what you need to do uh, for the column. Okay, so for column what you need to do. So now just select all your data. Okay, so that is the first step. Select your data, and how to select the entire data, just press Ctrl A. And now the next thing what you need to do, there is the shortcut, that is the Alt HOI. So I will use the Alt, and now if I press HOI, then you can see there all the adjustment with respect to the column is automatically done. So even I will write here what's the thing I use, Alt plus HOI. If you use this particular shortcut, then means your column adjustment will be done automatically. Just assume that there is some adjustment we required with respect to the row also. So there you can see, if you receive this type of a thing, then manually this adjustment is very time consuming and not that much is appreciate. Okay, so what you need to do here, just again for if I write here for row, what will be the command? So there you need to use Alt plus uh, use the HOA. Okay, so now I'm selecting again the data, and means selecting all the data. There you need to use the Control A. Now I'm pressing the Alt and HOA. So all the adjustment with respect to the row is now appropriate. So use these two shortcuts. Okay, so that will save lot of time. You can see that is the for column Alt HOI, and for row Alt HOA. So that will save lot of time. Thank you.